Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your memory on the 2011 27-inch iMac. Now I've got this upside down, just got it resting on the original cover I got with it, just to protect the screen. So the first thing you want to do is take off the 3 Phillips head screws. And they should stay on the case itself, on the cover, so it should be right. A little bit more. Okay, that just comes off. Now there's tabs in here, you just pull these little tabs out here and just give it a slight pull. And the RAM just pops out like that. Do the same with this one. Yep, pops right out. Okay, so it's just a matter of getting your new RAM and placing it directly into the slots. I'm upgrading from the original 4 gigs to 16 gigs simply because it's a lot cheaper to do it yourself. You save about $600-700. So you just got to work them in there till they just sort of click right in. The next one, sort of ease them in a bit, and you just feel once they're in. Okay. Now the next one. Alright, and last one. Just make sure you put them in the right way, otherwise you're going to damage your RAM and possibly the computer. Okay, so once they're all in there nice and snug, feel all level. Okay, so all the RAM's in place, nice and snug. Just put these tips, these plastic bits, back in there. Like that. Okay, so nice and snug in there. It's just a matter of putting the cover back on. Okay, now it's best not to screw them screw one in all the way at the same time. You want to stagger it just so the other ones fit in a lot easier. So just tighten up the first 2 I did. Okay, and we're all done.